YouTubers, Skipper Zoe here with another app review. I was already in the middle of a review, but then I remembered my TV was on. And YouTube is really starting to get anal about what's playing in the background. Basically, YouTube is kind of getting pre-SOPA or IP protect. You know, like you can't lip sync or anything, otherwise you can be charged with felony. Whatever. Anyways, moving on. Today's app is going to be AndChat, AndChat, free. And this freaking phone really needs to stop going off. Basically, it's an IRC chat client for your Android smartphone. If I do remember correctly, this app is ICS ready. It does get updated still, which is another plus. I did try another one, but it never got updated. I forget what it was. It was... remind me to get it for you guys next time, at the end of the video. So I'm gonna get out of here. Now, I really like Android Chat. Now I'm just gonna call it Android Chat because I don't want to say AndChat, okay? So yeah, I'm not gonna say it right intentionally. You effing phone, go. Skip Zero fails. News at 11. So anyway, when you start the app, it's gonna run you through a first time setup thing. It's gonna teach you how to do things. I already have a server set up right here. It's Flux Chaos. That's where the Left 4 Dead 2 server bot is located. But before I show you that, let me show you some settings. If you hit the plus sign, you'll actually go into your you'll actually be able to create a new server. This target looking icon is settings, and you have various different settings you could work with. You got server settings, chat logs, database security, data backup, first run, about and chat, and version change log. And it was, like I said, just updated. Server settings, basically you can set preferred nickname, second, third, fourth, preferred username, preferred real name, SSL if the server supports it, apply defaults to all profiles. And basically, if you have different servers, it'll actually apply all these nicks to that one profile. Default part message, default quit message when you leave the IRC network. Auto reconnect attempt limit. Well, if you're fond or current with IRC and you understand what IRC is, this basically is like MIRC. Obviously, when you disconnect or you get something with the server, when you disconnect from the server, it reconnects, and after a certain amount of tries, it stops. Now, I believe IRC has it where, MIRC has 99 attempts, and I don't know what this thing has it as. My camera sucks. It has it as 3. So you can come in here and change that if you like. Rejoin on kick, obviously. Ooh, do I have that checked? Yes, I do. I don't know why. I hate my camera right now. But it's the only thing I have to do app reviews. Detect connection changes. Reconnects automatically when connectivity changes. Now, this is good, like, if you go in between Wi-Fi and Verizon network, in my case. Now, I did notice an issue with this where my Wi-Fi would just drop randomly, okay? I think that's an ongoing issue with this phone. It might be a firmware, software issue that Motorola or Verizon has to look into. I don't know who, but someone better do it. Skip MOTD, you could just skip the message of the day, which I don't recommend doing. And then connection timeout. Attempts, I guess. Now, basically, I guess how many times you ping before it says, oh, well, your time's out. Whatever. Chat settings, okay. Chat settings are pretty straightforward. Default text size, I believe I have mine to 16. Input history limit. Now, basically, you can, what this is I don't remember how the hell you did it, or I didn't do it. You can scroll, like on MIRC, you hit the up arrow. Well, this is on MIRC, I'm sorry. the input area, and you can actually get back some of the messages that you typed in. This app actually can do that. But how the hell do I do it? I don't know. I haven't figured that out yet. I haven't been much away from the house to actually try to, want to use this. Show timestamps, and I got email. And it is from the Droid forums. Okay. So, anyway. Let's see. I gotta keep just jostling it a little bit. Hide join part messages. That's unchecked for me. Show timestamps, I have that checked because I want to see what time everything is, because this thing actually does log. Extra next to highlight, you can, it's just like your highlight list on MIRC or any IRC client. When someone types in a word or whatever you have listed, it either does a certain thing, like some people have it to ding or make a noise. Some other people have it change colors in the chat room, so on and so forth. Automatic capitalization. Now I have that checked too. This way, it just automatically capitalizes. I don't know. And then here's all your notification settings, enable notifications, and the events to notify for. Play sound for notification tone. Obviously I have that set up as Droid. My God, that's the one thing I noticed about the Droid. Not to go off topic so much, guys. The Droid really has very limited ways to change the ringtones for different events and stuff. I mean, there's probably maybe an app that'll change for everything. Like, I know email can let me, some of the email clients will let me change it, but, like, really, everything I have set up for any event, any clocks, any alarms, that'll automatically use Droid. So, yeah, but, chat logs. Now, basically, I have this disabled. I should enable it, and it'll save it to the phone. I believe you might be able to delete it if there's any, but I'm going to enable it anyway. Okay, enable chat logs, separate logs by, what's it say? Logs folder, MNT, S card, net, and chat folder size information. Oh, so it's actually going to save it to my SD card, which is not a bad thing. Really, it's not. Alright, but I really don't need it. Cause like I said, I haven't really started using this full-blown, so who knows. Database security. But yeah, just to go back on that one note real quick, that is a very nice feature. I like the fact that it'll use the 16 gigabyte SD card instead of the internal memory on the phone. Use database encryption, and I have no idea what this is because I don't deal with any of this crap. So yeah, back out of that. We got data backup. Now you could save all your data here, servers and everything, to an SD card in case you have to reinstall the app or something, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to export that. Let's see, we got one server, 42 preferences, save to mmsdcards.net. Yep, alright. Alright, so see, there you go, it saves it to my SD cards. No, I have that backed up. I like that feature, very nice feature. I gotta go back to the Android market and thank this person, because I mean, this is really a nice app. They really thought it through when they said, okay, let's make a nice IRC client-based app for the Android. Okay, let's see. We have first run, which obviously is what I told you. When you first start the app, it'll run you through that, telling you certain commands, how to set up the app and stuff like that. And then you got about app, AndChat. You know what? I should use that. Alright, let's see. AndChat, blah blah blah, by Al R. Okay, so this is Skip. Is that what I'm making the official announcement to Al R. Thank you very much for making a very flawless app. I mean, so yeah, here's the about. And then we're going to change log, and it tells you about the changes that were done to that. And there's also now copy text support, which is very nice. Okay, so now I'm going to connect. Let's finish. This bar does what? Filter servers. Oh, if you have like multiple servers, And I believe you can connect to servers, multiple servers, which is very cool. I haven't tested that out yet, but I will. So yeah, that's helping exit. So let's connect to Fluxcast. And maybe I might be able to figure out how to activate this stupid thing. So now it's connecting. And it works flawlessly even on Verizon network too. I gotta say, I really like that. So here's our IRC chat. I'm in Zavagaby right now, even though you won't be able to really see it. Dirt. Alright. It's very nice. It looks very clean. Hitting the menu button makes that top part go away, so you have access to your channels. You can even swipe to different channels. You got the Chaos's channel, which you auto join. And you got the Zavagaby. I haven't figured out how to add multiple channels to the auto join list, and I'm still trying to figure that out. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys on that one. So here you see I'm in Zavagaby. Topic for Zavagaby. Welcome to Zavagaby's L4D2. And it's just like the regular chat room. I'm going to lift the camera up. As you see, here's the topic for Zavagaby. And here it is right here. Welcome to Zavagaby. So, you know, I'm not lying. I'm not trying to fake you out or anything like that. And, yeah, again, one more time. See, this is IRC. Stupid flickering monitor. It looks fine when you like hold it like that, but it has to have a heart attack. So yeah, here you go. Here's the IRC perform list. Here's my server thing. Alright. You know, a lot of people say, oh well, they just faked that. Well, no, I'm not faking it. I wouldn't endorse something like this. I think this is like the coolest thing. And I auto-identified. There's also, yeah, it has a feature to auto-identify, which I like. So I have it set to auto-identify to my nick. So the bot, Zavagaby, will recognize me. And there you go. See, I just typed in status and Zavagaby came back with this. And oh, look at that! People are on my server. Who are they? Zoe Lewis? Caves. Oh, right, I remember. I was playing a mutation earlier. Okay, never mind, but yeah. Okay, so Zoe and Lewis, you're gonna be on YouTube. Yay! Let's see if I can get this stupid thing to work now. No. Get Iris. No. You know what? Droid, stop. Stop, Droid. Get off. And I close out of the app. Paste, input method, complete nick. Oh, alright, so that's just basically a tab too. Alright, so you know what? Basically, let me just show you what I just figured out. If it stops going back, okay. So now I could just type in Z. Right? Hold up here. Oh no, not that way. It has to be out of keyboard mode. Okay, so I got the Z right there. What I'm going to do is hold this. Complete nick. And there you go, Zavagaby. Now, you're probably wondering, how do you get to the usernames? You do that by opening up the little menu. And you see the little person standing behind the high chart. I'm gonna call it the high chart. When you get your freaking mugshot, you click that, and there you go. These are all the people that are in the server or on the chat room. Blah, yeah. So it's very nice. I haven't figured out still how to use this stupid. I wish I knew how to do it. That'd be such a neat little thing to do right now. Alright, so I'm just gonna stop sidetracking right now. So here it is. It's just a basically basic IRC client for Android, and it's AndChat. I really like the app. It's a very well designed app. I will be posting a link for it in the Android App Store. Well, to the Android App Store. But I don't go by what other people say. I test them myself and I experience them. And if no one likes it, oh well. Let them go complain on the internet. Or on an IRC chat. So this is Skipazoa for AndChat. And again, I'd like to thank Al R for making such a well-refined app. There you go. Alright. So, Skipazoa out.